let's go on a short walk and practice English. I am taking a quick walk to the konbini, the convenience store, to grab a snack. I am taking my baby with me to the store. I am carrying her in the baby carrier. So you may hear her talking. I am carrying my reusable bag. I am walking next to a small field. It rained earlier today, so I am stepping in many puddles. I am stopping at a fresh produce stall. They have fresh produce from local farms sometimes. Let's check. Usually you can put your money here, 100 yen. You can turn this and get your fresh produce out. I just looked. There was no fresh produce today. I am crossing the street. I just crossed the street. I'm coming up on a big street here with more traffic, more cars. I'm walking past some beautiful flowers, pink, white colors. I just walked past those beautiful flowers, and now I am here at the convenience store. I'm entering the store. I am leaving the store, so I have my roasted green tea latte and my fried, what are they called? Fried squid tempura chips. I have never tried those, so I want to give them a try. At the store, I tried to pay for my food and my card was declined. I didn't have enough money on my card. Luckily, I remembered that I had money on my digital card on my phone. So I was able to pay for my snacks. I didn't have to leave and go home again to get money. I was able to pay. The world did not end. I am noticing the power lines over my head. There are many power lines. Noticing the smell of the rain. It's very beautiful and calming. I love the smell of the rain. I am walking home now. I am almost home. When I get home, I will cuddle up with my tea and my snack. I am turning the corner. I just turned the corner. Thank you for joining me on my short, calm walk to the store. Please like and subscribe to Mind Body English. I talk about English for healthy mind and body. If you want to learn English and exercise, click on this video here and try it out. Have you done it before? It might be your favorite thing in the world. You never know. Stay tuned. I will show you my reaction to the fried squid tempura chips. Stay tuned.
Fried squid tempura chips.
Ready?
The smell is really bad.
They have a strong smell. They're all right. They're salty. They're chewy. I wasn't expecting them to be chewy. I probably won't buy them again.
Dude, this too
Bye.
chilly.